In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping rules on Wix with Shippo. We will first set up free shipping inside Wix so your customers see it at checkout. Then connect Shippo so you can print labels, fulfill orders, and automatically sync tracking back to your store. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and heading to Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. Choose the region where you want to offer free shipping. You can edit an existing region or create a new one that fits your business. Click Add Rate for that region, and in the Rate Type drop-down, select Free Shipping. Give the rate a clear name at checkout, like Free Shipping, so customers understand exactly what they are selecting. If you know your usual transit times, add an estimated delivery window to set expectations. Save your changes. At this point, shoppers in that region will see free shipping as an option at checkout. If you only want to offer free shipping over a certain order value or under a certain weight, set that up using the other rate types, such as rate by order price, weight, or quantity. The key is that Wix controls what appears at checkout, so all free shipping logic lives here. After saving, preview your checkout to confirm the free option appears the way you intend. Next, connect Wix with Shippo so you can process those orders efficiently. From your Wix dashboard, open the App Market, search for Shippo, add the app, approve the permissions, and sign into your Shippo account, or create one if you are new. You can also connect from Shippo by going to Settings, then Stores, selecting Connect Store, choosing Wix, and clicking Continue. Once connected, your Wix orders will start syncing into the Orders page in Shippo, clearly labeled with a Wix icon. There, you can buy shipping labels, choose carriers and services, and fulfill orders. Even when a customer selects free shipping at checkout, you will still choose and purchase the label in Shippo. Free shipping simply means the customer is not charged for it. When you purchase the label, Shippo sends the tracking number and fulfillment status back to Wix, so customers can receive updates automatically. Keep your shipping rules in Wix, since that is what controls checkout options, and use Shippo for label creation and fulfillment. If you change your free shipping criteria later, update it in Wix, and the new rules will apply to future orders. If orders do not appear right away, give the initial sync a moment and confirm your connection is authorized. That is the full workflow. Set free shipping in Wix, then fulfill with Shippo. Save your settings, test with a sample order, and you are ready to go.